Hey guys, this is me Pile. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use dall-E mini image generator. So what is dall-E? Is an artificial intelligence program that creates images from textual descriptions. How can I use it? To use this, click the link given in the description below. After clicking the link, you will be directed on this page. Now write any prompt and it will create image from your textual description. For example, I wrote, how can a man fly? After writing your prompt, click on run. If it says too much traffic, you can try again and again. It takes sometimes 1 or 2 minutes to load, so wait patiently. Now here is your image. I tried another one, writing Steve Harvey with long hair. Now take a screenshot of this page and share it on your social media. So this was the process by which you can use dall-E mini image generator. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.